To add someone on Snapchat without showing by search, go to your Snapchat app on your smartphone and then go to your profile, tap on add friends, tap this search option and search for the account whom you want to add. Now from this search list, don't tap on add. All you have to need from here, open the profile and from their profile tap this three dot and tap on send profile to, and now here select your own Snapchat account to send the profile as a text message. So I'm selecting my own account here, or I'm selecting my best friend, then tapping on send. We can see the message sent. Now I'm going back to my message and opening my own conversation, and here we can see the profile successfully showing here. Now tap this profile icon and you directly jump into the profile. Now from here, go ahead and add the user to your friend list, and that's how you can actually add someone on Snapchat without showing by @search. Thanks for watching.